Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Cash App to Chase Bank. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Select the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Cash Out option. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Chase Bank account. Choose your preferred transfer speed. For an instant transfer, select the Instant option. Be aware that there may be a fee for instant transfers. For a standard transfer, choose the Standard option. This option usually takes 1 to 3 business days and is free of charge. Tap Cash Out to confirm your transfer. Select your linked Chase Bank account if prompted. If you have not linked your Chase Bank account, you will need to add it. To link your Chase Bank account, tap Add a Bank. Enter your account and routing number when required. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Return to the Cash Out screen and select your Chase Bank account again. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Tap Confirm to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is complete. Check your Chase Bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. That's how you transfer money from Cash App to Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.